this week. Tongue-tied to service like Shari.
Welcome to Creative Bug ID Sand Vlogs. In this video we'll make yellow lime slime. If you enjoyed this video then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's start the video. You will need glue, glitters, mixing stick, slime activator, and a bowl. Step 1. Add 15 milliliters glue in the bowl. Step 2. Add 6 drops of activator. If you want to make giggly slime then you can add half cup of water. Don't add too much water or activator in the slime because slime will be sticky. Step 3. Mix it well. And if you haven't subscribed our channel so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Yellow lime slime is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video then give it a big thumbs up. Give your ideas in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this video.